that's where you.
Hey, how we doing? So this is a test video showing the steam option on this DeLonghi Magnifica. It was brought to us because it was having some issues, saying that I guess the machine was out of water when it certainly had enough water in it. So this is just a video that we're gonna do just to test out, see that the steam's working okay. Just building pressure. Say maybe it takes about 10 seconds or so to really get the full pressure power. And just showing the water tank. All that's water too. So we're going to let this run for maybe another 10 seconds, probably 30 seconds at a time, and we'll turn it off. Let it sit for about 20-30 seconds, and we'll turn it back on just so we know that it's working alright. So I'll turn it off there. With this machine, when it's out of water, there is this light that goes off there, so we're going to keep an eye on that, just see if that starts flashing at any time. But first run, so far so good. Once again, this is the water tank right there. All that's water. Let it sit. And in 5 seconds we'll let it go again. And again. Building pressure. You can hear the pump pumping water through.
Oh, but the point is down over here? Yeah. Oh, well, that's great. The generator's okay.
It's good. Good amount of pressure coming out. Good temperature. Yep, temperature's good. And we'll turn it off again. Let it sit for a bit. Water's still good and ready. No indicator as of yet on lack of water. So let it sit.
And then it goes into the solenoid, comes out.
So what is this?
We'll add some of this water that's accumulated.
This one gets hot too?
Yeah, but they're for two different reasons. This gets hotter because it's for steam.
Oh.
And this is for the coffee.
Coffee heater, steam generator.
Exactly.
And then we'll
So
let it run one more
this
time.
solenoid opens to let water in here, and then it goes
The pressure
in there,
build
and
up
then
again.
the solenoid opens to come up with
So if I'm not getting steam,
then it's
No indicator light so far. Pressure's still looking good. Water tank's still full. This is about 3 cycles that we've run so far, so let's stop it in a bit and that'll be the end of the video. But again, this is just a video testing out the steam function as it was brought to us due to the machine saying that it was out of water when it actually wasn't. So just testing it to make sure that the steam is actually working. Steam is definitely working. And I'll stop it there, and that will be the end of this video.